I think my mission is finished after 2 release in Gorongosa National Park. Yes.
It's not sad?
Sometime.
Yeah.
Full vegetation, eh?
Yes, it's like a tropical bushveld. Very nice.
Jungle-ish. Good afternoon and welcome in Gorongosa National Park. According to National Geographic, one of the last wildest places on Earth. So excited! What do you have here?
We were speaking to someone of the Car Foundation. They work with the park. And he's been showing us around, and he brought all these books that has to do with Gorongosa. So this is like some stories from the community, and there was this National Geographic thing about Gorongosa, and scientist's book.
Sorry, I forgot to ask you, where do you want to meet at 11?
So you tell us. Scientist that wrote the book. Edward Wilson, apparently a famous scientist. And then this is also interesting, Pangolin book for the children. It's in Portuguese, because the children here speak Portuguese. And a lovely story about a pangolin, which is quite familiar to us. Thank you. And then, as would be our luck, we probably missed King Holgate by a week. He was here for like 2 weeks or something for his recent trip. And the guy James just brought us the book that he left here. It's one of his books for us to peruse through. But yeah, we would love to meet this man, this legend of Africa and of Land Rovers. But maybe one day.
Gorongosa National Park in Mozambique is a 4,000 square kilometer ecosystem of woodlands, savanna, rainforest and marsh. The park was established in 1960, transforming a former hunting reserve into a destination for ecotourism and research. But decades of conflict devastated the area, and an estimated 90% of its large mammals were killed, either being collateral damage or hunted to feed the fighters. But this tragedy is now being remedied by the concerted efforts of the park, the government and philanthropic foundations. Gorongosa sits at the southern tip of the Great African Rift Valley, a unique zone where southern and eastern African species meet. Scientists believe there could be over 75,000 multicellular organisms in the park. And all life forms, all, are being documented as part of the ambitious Map of Life project. Studies like these are unlocking valuable insights into ecosystems, the impact of natural disasters, and how we might approach biodiversity restoration in the future. And there's something else that we like about the park. It has rehabilitated over 100 pangolins over the last few years, and largely to the help of the surrounding communities.
My name is Dadiva. I'm a safari guide. By having this changing of landscape, like open area, ticket area, makes the park unique and different from other places. The most thing which I like in Gorongosa, it is how the park involve the community around. That is the thing which is most make me proud to work here. Putting the community together is the best way how to protect in the conservation area.
Okay. Even now we have 8 months, and we receive with almost 2 kgs. Now she has almost 4 kgs.
Okay, that's good.
It's good, yeah.
Yes.
When we start this rehabilitation center of Pangolin, we receive almost 149 pangolins. And I think we release almost 90%.
He is hungry.
Yes.
He wants to go.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's the time now.
Let's go. Let's go.
And before we going to feeding, it's very important to wait. Because we need to see how much kgs or milligram she eat. It's very important. You see, you say, yeah, she is doing well or no. No.
Yes.
Yeah. Yes. Yeah.
Oh, those claws.
And after feeding, we wait again and we see, yeah, she's going well, she eat well or no. Yeah, it's very important.
So we are about to go out in the field with the vet Elias and 2 rangers, I think, the pangolin and us.
On that. Or in there. Not sure yet.
I'm Elias Mubobo. I'm a vet. Now we're feeding pangolins because in Gorongosa National Park we have 1 center of rehabilitation pangolins, and every day to take feeding pangolin in the world. And now we start feeding all pangolins. When we receive to put one name, is very important to keep our date. She's Ivan. Ivan, our language, our local language is listen. It's very important to take our traditional language to put one name in.
Elias told us that they rescued Ivan from poaching together with her mom. The mom was in bad condition and didn't make it. She died after a few hours. Even survived, and luckily it's doing very well.
She's playing now. Yeah, we have two. She's playing. In first 3 months, we feeding with milk. After 3 months, she start eating ants and termites. Now she weighs 3.5 kgs. Is very, yeah. You have good adaptation. It's very special animals because this is important animals to our environment in ecosystem. It's very important to keep
Balance.
your balance, yeah, yes, and termites and ants in ecosystem.
Gorongosa has become a safe haven for endangered species such as pangolins, who in turn play a vital role in the park's restoration. The amount of ants and termites they consume is guarding nature against the destructive insect plagues, and their burrowing and nudging of the soil allows nutrients to sink in deeper, giving vegetation a better chance to thrive.
Is it ever difficult for you to let them go when they are ready?
I'm feeling well because I think my mission is finished after to release in Gorongosa National Park. Yes.
It's not sad?
Yeah, sometimes because these animals you live together in a long time, and yeah, sometimes.
We are walking in the middle of the Gorongosa National Park of Mozambique. This is truly a wild paradise still. I mean, you have all of the different landscapes and forests. You have a sand forest, you have a fever tree forest, you have savannas and floodplains and sections that looks like rainforest. Just everything, and then wildlife everywhere. There are 4 of the big 5 here. Only the rhino is not here. So it gives tourists this haven of safaris. You have places where you can stay, lodges and campings, and luxury accommodation as well. But what really makes it special is that the government of Mozambique, together with institutions like the Car Foundation, the Great Car Foundation, and large universities like Princeton and Harvard, they are working together to build this hub, this science hub, that people can use to build off each other, where it's made easy to do projects, where it's made easy to share information, sharing samples, getting permits. Everything is sort of geared towards doing science in the best possible way. They make space for it, they can do large-scale experiments. It's a truly amazing conservation effort to do reforestation, restoration, reintroduce animals that's been gone, because this area has been mistreated. There's a lot of things that went wrong over the decades. You have civil wars, which was here. You have cyclones that flooded the whole place under meters of water. And then there's unrest, there's COVID, everything went wrong in the last few decades. This is a place where people are rebuilding and showing the human race how we can fix this, what we've done. So it's amazing. And we've had this wonderful opportunity to walk here This is not normal. Because we met some great people from the park that gave us this chance to walk with the pangolin walkers and the vet that look after Ivan, the pangolin they currently are rehabilitating. Look at that belly.
Today it's possible it's 200 grams. It's a lot.
Good.
We had a wonderful time here and felt this story was too important not to share. So we turned it into a special episode, a little different from what you might be used to from us. We'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching and hope to see you next time as we continue our overlanding adventure crossing the border into Malawi.